Welcome to our screen sharing tutorial on payment automation in our module. In this tutorial, we will explore a powerful feature that simplifies the process of bulk payments for companies dealing with numerous bills. Finance departments often face challenges when managing multiple invoices, checking individual bills, and monitoring vendor statuses. Our payment automation program streamlined these tasks by automating due invoices, saving time and effort for finance professionals. Let's move to the screen. Okay, now I am on the screen. So first you need to install this module. So go into the app. So search for the payment automation module and install it. So go to the invoicing app. So here is the invoicing app. So let's check first how many invoices are there. So in the vendor bills I have three bills. So you can see over here three bills has been posted and one bill is in the draft stage. So three bills are due. One bill is yesterday, the due date is yesterday, and two bills having the date for the 40 days. So let's move into the automated program payment run. In the menu, the payment run is available under the vendor section and also in the customer section. In the customer section, it will for the collection the payment from the customer, and in the vendor section the payment send money or the payment made to the suppliers or the vendor. So I click on the payment run in the vendor. I have one record over here, the payment made on 21st 2024. So here is the setting. So let me set to draft first. Payment type is the send money, and we can also use for this payment program to receive payment from the vendor. Sometime we need to collect the money from the vendor, so we can also make receive payment from the vendor. So usually we will use this first option for the sending money to the vendor. So here we have option, one is the now and the other one is the schedule later. Schedule later means you want to schedule it for the future, and we will mention in the run date. So that means you have planned today this payment program, but it will be executed on the 23rd of the March. So currently let's make it for the now. So next run date means the document will include till to the next run date. That means today, if you are going to make payment today, and the next payment you will run after 7 days or might be 10 days. So you will mention the next run date when the next payment will be executed. So the system will include all of the invoices that will due before the next run date. So here is some filters. Exclude partners. If you want to exclude some of the partner you want to pay, you don't want to pay, so the for that vendors, so we can exclude these vendors. Multiple vendors we can exclude or include here. So it will exclude the payments for these vendors. So let me remove this one right now. The parameters, the accounting date means when, on what date the payment will be posted. So I have mentioned the same date for the run date. So accounting date will be 21st of the March 2024. Group payment with the same vendors. You wanna create one payment or the multiple payments for each bill or invoices. So if you wanna create one payment for each vendor, then the group payment option you can use. In access selection, here is the invoices date up to we will provide over here the date, and all the invoices date, all the bills or invoices will include till to date, the date we have mentioned over here. And same for the invoice due by, We will mention here over the date and all the invoices that will include on that till that date. If you want to add the apply the multiple extra filtration, or so we here for the domain you can add new rules, and as you can define many rules over here. So let's move over here. So click on the proposal. So let me show you how it will work, the proposal. And if we go into the proposal, so here is three partners has been included. Okay, so let's move to the invoicing and create uh, this one. Okay, so okay, so let's remove this date. Okay, so let me execute the proposal. So proposal 5 document has been included. So click on this one. 5 document. One is the GCO edit, and for the other is Azure. So here you can see the vendor bills and also the memo has included. So let's move over here. Exclude partners. Let me exclude. Okay. So I have exclude this partner. Save this one and recompute it. So now you can see the 4 document is there, but now you want to exclude the vendor memos. So here we will apply the new rule. So let me move type. Okay, move type vendor bill only we want to include. You can also add the new rules if you want to apply more filters over here. To filter the documents, you can use this option. So save it and recompute. So you can see now only the 2 documents is there. 2 documents included. Now go back over here. In the access selection we mentioned the due date, so only the current due date documents I want include. So recompute it. So you can see here only 1 document is left behind. Okay, here is an other option for the another option is for to block the payments, the document block for the payment. So this is the 0001 document number. So this is let me check this one. So for example, so here you can see the payment block free for payment. So we make it okay, block for payment. So this payment is block for payment. Okay, now go back over here. So here I recompute it and you can see the payment has been blocked, so no payment is included. So let me free for payment. So it has been free now. So recompute it. So you can see the 2 proposal has been included. So let me I have a few only bills. So let me remove the filters over here. Exclude payment. So let me remove this one and recompute. So three bills has been included. So another in the parameter, this is the accounting date. That means on that date the payment document will be post. Group payment, if you want to create one payment for one vendor, then we will click on the group payment. If we will click on the group payment, so here is we have a 3 document. So 2 payments will create, one for Deco Addict and one payment for Azure Interior. So if you want to generate or create one payment for one document, then you can remove this check. So I remove this check and save it, recompute it. Now you can see the proposal. So here is the payments. So we have a option here for the default bank here. So here I have selected the default bank. So save it. We also have the option if you wanna pay a one particular vendor to a specific bank. So go into the invoicing. You can mention over here the default bank, or for the default bank for this particular vendor. So every time this vendor will be paid by this particular bank. So go over here to payment run again and click on this one. So let me recompute this one, and you can see the bank is also here. uh, the bank name is the bank. So if you want to change any of the payment type, so let's move it to the cash, or so you can change it. If you want to change the bank, you can change it. So let's move back to the this payment program, and now it's time to execute it. Before execution, so here is we have a print screen, the print proposal. So this is the print proposal. It will include, give the detail all of the payment details the document has included in this payment program. And here is the summary. All the banks will be available, will list here how many payments is going to made for this particular bank. So this is the print screenshot for the approval purpose or for the management reporting. So here it's time to execute this document. So we are click on the execute, and you can see the three payments, three documents is included in the proposals, and three payments has been created. So click on this one on the payments has included, and also click on the bills, the payment has been paid. So reconciliation is also done. Payment automation feature in the Odoo module offers a seamless solution for companies handling a large number of bills. By automating due invoices and streamlining payment processes, finance team can work more efficiently and focus on strategic financial management. Thank you for joining us in this tutorial, and we hope you find this feature beneficial for your business needs. If you want to buy this module, please click the link mentioned in the description.